Welcome one and all. Welcome to another tutorial from Classic Games United. And this is our tutorial request from Dala. That is our Discord member in my server. And he requested that I do a tutorial for him on how to play Battlefield Bad Company 2. Alright, and some people will say that you need a legit copy to play this game. They don't know what they are talking about. You could have a cracked version of the game and it will still work, right? You don't need to buy the game for it to work. It's up to you. You could buy it, but the game is taken offline, and the only way to play this by using a mod called Project Rome, right? So I'll show you how to install it today. Whether I have the legit copy or cracked versions, it will work, so you don't have to worry, right? So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Right, I'll be back. Alright, guys, first thing first, you want to create an account, right? And then you will download this. Just download it. Alright, so you'll just create an account here. How to play, read the instructions, create an account. Once you create an account, guys, you will just you could download this first, and then after you could create an account, because you need to sign up in the game to be able to play online, right? So once you create your account, you will download this. Alright, and then you will open up this, right? I already have the game, guys. You could what I could do, I could package my game for you, because my games is the original CD version game. So what you'll do, you'll just drag this inside of here. Maybe I could drag and replace. So once you drag that inside of there, guys, you'll just start up the game, and you will log in with your credentials that you created on the website. You will log in with your username and your password from the website, and you'll be able to play online, right? So I'll show you all that now. Alright, guys, we're in the game, right? All you have to do now is go to login. Make sure you log in with your username. Alright, make sure you log in with your username, and make sure you log in with your password, right? Alright, log in, and you could create your clan tag. Log in, and that's all you have to do, guys, right? And you go to multiplayer, go to server browser, click on search, and you'll see all the sites here you could join. I will join one now. Very simple tutorial, guys, not long, very easy, simple to do. So this will work on a cracked version of the game, and it will work on a legit version of the game, right? You don't have to have a legit version for this to work. It will work with cracked versions of the game, and it will work with the legit versions of the game. Alright, so let's show you that it works. Let's see if it works, guys. Everything works. All you have to do, guys, is create an account, download the Project Rome mod, put the mod in the game folder where the game exe is, and then when you start the game, you log in with your username and password. You go to server browser, and you search, and you will be able to play online with your friends, right? So this is a very simple tutorial, guys, showing you how to play. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. This is not a long tutorial. It's very simple and very easy to do. Alright, so I hope that I will see you in the next tutorial to come. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.